of my friends who's also a stakeholder in my startup, who also happens to be doing a PhD at the moment. So um, he's like teaching and giving some classes. Anyway, so the issue I found was that, let's say I'm sharing my screen, I'm playing, right? Like let's say you're Kevin, JF, whatever. Well, you're all playing, right? We're busy like doing our stuff, and then I saw like many times, like let's say Jeff's like, hey, so how do we I don't know, like what's the key to like open up the cheat, or what's this or what's that, and then someone's like or someone types in the YouTube chat, and you don't see anything because they don't look at the chat necessarily right away, right? And there might be a delay and whatnot. Um, so that was the idea about the inspiration. I was like, how can I make this better? Like you see it instantly, and then for my friend Cedric, it's even worse because he's giving classes. Let's say he's sharing his screen, um, and then he's he's giving his class on both Discord and Microsoft Teams at the same time, and all his students are muted, right? Because obviously he's the one speaking. Um, but then they might be asking questions in the channel and whatnot. But he doesn't really like interacting with the students, and like it would be in live is like him next to impossible. He says so it's really shit because he's busy like doing his thing, and then let's say you and I or someone else write something in Discord, and then someone else writes something in Teams, and then you probably don't see it right away, and then yeah. So my idea was like, hey, so how about I do something like some streamers have, where they show up the messages on the screen, right? Yeah, but this is usually for Twitch. Well, not necessarily for Twitch only, but uh, it comes with like Streamlab and whatnot. Um, Maybe there's something else, but I wanted something like super easy, super low effort, that actually aggregates everything from multiple sources. And I did it. So the idea is this, okay? Cross-platform, offline desktop app, okay? Built with Electron, so fucking JavaScript. But I guess I learned JavaScript, so that's good. I mean, all right. So there you go. Okay. So very rough. It's just an MVP. Okay. So minimal valuable product. So here you have different sources. Right now I only filled the YouTube one, but you'd have like different ones. So YouTube, for YouTube you only need your channel ID. So that's my channel ID, and I have a live stream here, right? So you save your configuration, and I could select many more. What the fuck? Oops. And then you select the screen that you want your overlay to appear on. So that would usually be, it could be a screen, or it could be an application, just like Discord. This will actually look exactly like Discord. Like you'll have a tab for screens and a tab for applications. But let's say this is screen one, right? I can select whatever, and then so screen one at the bottom I launch. So I'm overlaying screen one, right? You don't see it here, and then I go here, right? I say, hello, Neil. And then right now I think it's every 5 seconds. Hello, Neil, at the top right, right? So and then like I'm working on it with like Cedric and someone else, so it's not done yet. Like this will be a cleaner component and whatnot, but yeah, and I actually want to test it out. Cedric's gonna, as soon as we have it working, like as in proof of concept, he's gonna run it with his students, and I actually want to try it out with the people in the studio, see if it does the job. So let's say you were streaming, I was like, Neil, you suck, and you see it on your screen like right away. So yeah,